Hello everyone, and welcome to my next restoration project. It's a vintage Peugeot road bike from the research that I have done. It's a Carbolite 103 steel frame made in the 70s. It's 12 gear, 2 in the front and 6 in the back. It has the down tube shifters. And it's my neighbors, Rich and Jane next door. They see me ride my bike all the time and they asked me if I wanted this bike, which has been in their garage for a long time. And I'm looking forward to restoring it and riding it, because this is exactly the type of bike that I used to ride when I was a young teenager in France. So for me, it brings back a lot of memory and it's a lot of fun. So I'll be making videos showing you how I'm doing, how I'm progressing, and at some point, hopefully, the final product. So here we are. I've started already. I cleaned the bike. I started putting it apart, and so far I must say it's been very easy. The only two specialty tools that I've needed are the crank arm puller and the chain link remover. But beside that, it's been fun and very straightforward. I think it's going to be a different story when I get to the bottom bracket, but we'll see about that when I get there. And actually, that's what I intend to my next video to be about, is showing you how to take out and put back the bottom bracket on this bike. So until next time, bye bye.